to meet Bossing for the first time. Tagal na kami nagla-live for him, for Sanda, for a year. But in dire-diretso since September, and he's downstairs in the lobby. We're hopping on the elevator na ngayon. Excited to meet him. And excited sa free lunch. Can you say, don't check out honey?
Hello.
You say, don't check out honey, okay?
Don't check out?
Yeah.
那你要不要叫他帮忙拍一下？
哦，可以，那
对对
你帮我拍一下。
对，帮忙拍一下。
House.
You married?
No.
Oh, okay, okay.
Sister-in-law nga.
Sanda! Haha! 7th floor.
Okay, let's go. Okay, go. Okay, time to go.
Okay, honey.
You go in here also? Oh no.
Ni hao. Oh. Okay, so pili daw kami kung ano gusto namin. Pipili daw. And bibigay.
Probably no.
Okay, so si Lawrence nag-a-adjust na po ng aking mga new 506. This is the unisex model, much smaller, 42 millimeters. Shopping! Yay, shopping! Very new. John Mayer Daytona. Okay, very nice. But what I like is the Hublot inspired and Richard Mille. So if meron daw kaming gusto for the family, iuwi na namin. Siyempre ako, I picked one. Oh my god, low! Parang mga Cartier tank.
This is the video.
Okay.
我们只身处历史上场。Boss, okay?
很好。
Okay. Okay, 1 year of training has led us to this moment. Wala na nagawa si boss. Namili ako ng mga ilo-launch today. Sabi, okay. Namili din ako ng mga iuuwi. May isang model doon or dalawa. Sa akin lang muna, hindi ko muna share. Hindi ko muna paparelease. Pero yeah, before we start this, Lawrence, proud of you, my brother. Hug me, brother! First business trip namin together, and yeah, first of many more.
6.
Alright, so we're live
Yeah.
at 7:39.
This is the 5306.
Let's try Chinese
Let
meat.
me flex it. Silver. Yeah.
Wings.
So this is a tape window sa baba. Stainless steel bracelet and ano siya, naka-double lock siya. Water resistant and battery. Yeah.
Oh, spicy.
Ito ba? Yeah, sige. I'll wear it. That is a 5306. Another black na watch. Let me know.
Bacon.
We have a lot of black watches.
Double
we have,
patty.
we
Big
have a black
tomato.
watch leather for number 5. We also have black watch for number 7 and number 8. Hello, Sister Pining, what's up? Kamusta na? Okay. Let's go guys, comment lang. Santa's biggest sale today. I suggest you guys take advantage of this big
think so. So thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to give them the follows and
Okay, the owner of Santa, Boss Kingston!
Thank you everybody support our account. Yeah, my brother account. Yeah. For a long time, I will give everybody new style and have the good quality watches for everybody. Okay?
Yay!
Okay,
Thank you,
for
boss!
everybody.
Congratulations! Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Sanda warehouse
70,000.
70,000 watt watches?
70万吗？那就是7把了。7 million。
Who lives there?
Our living room.
Oh?
Yeah. Before.
Wait, you live here?
To the living room. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay, so when we say limited stock, we mean limited stock. Yan lang po ang 1099 natin. Yan lang talaga. So, if we limit the 1099, yan po kasi talaga ang stocks natin. Yan lang talaga. Si 109, iba na yan. Iba na yan. 1099 only. Si 1108, mas madami siya. Okay, 1098. See you! Bye-bye! Okay. So me and Lo are checked in na dito sa hotel. It's 3 in the morning. As of my Santa Richard meal. Gutom na kami. 3 AM na. But like lang gusto namin kayo na ayaw namin mag-meal. Si boss ko na mukhang mag-aaya. Nandito lang din siya pero ayaw na namin mag-full meal. So we're gonna walk around, look for a 7-Eleven. Okay, ang tinuro sa amin, turn right. Pero hindi nila sinabi tatawid. Sana sinabi, tawid muna. Tapos kumana. Ay, so layo nang iikutin namin. Kasi may harang sa gitna. Okay, nakapag-grocery shopping na tayo. Water and water dahil magluluto kami ng cup noodles. Okay, kain. Cup noodle. Ang galing nga nung tinidoro na tutupi.
Wow.
Wow. Nakakatawa. Yung reception, parating pa lang kami, tinatawag niya na yung manager niya. Kapag mas galing mag-English yung manager.